Sophie, I'm so tired this morning.
Good morning, Liam. You sound like you just woke up.
I did. I woke up 10 minutes ago. I'm still in my pajamas.
Well, you're not alone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the HZ English Pod.
I'm Liam, and I need coffee.
And I'm Sophie. And today we have the perfect topic for Liam and for all of you.
What is it? How to sleep more?
Even better. We're talking about your daily morning routine in English.
Oh, that's actually perfect, because I need a better morning routine.
Exactly. And here's why this episode is so important, everyone. Your morning happens every single day, right?
Every single day, unfortunately.
So, if you can talk about your morning routine in English, you can practice English every single day.
That's actually really smart.
Plus, these are some of the most useful verbs and phrases in English. You'll use them all the time.
Okay, I'm awake now. Let's do this.
Before we start, lovely listeners, please hit subscribe. And here's a question for you. Are you a morning person or a night person? Tell us in the comments.
I am definitely not a morning person.
I can tell. Okay, Liam, let's start from the very beginning. What's the first thing that happens in the morning?
The first thing? My alarm goes off. Beep, beep, beep. I hate that sound.
So the first phrase is, my alarm goes off. Everyone, repeat. My alarm goes off.
My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. But do I wake up at 7? No.
Ah, you hit the snooze button.
Exactly. I hit snooze at least 3 times.
Hit snooze is a very common phrase. It means you delay the alarm. Let's practice. I hit snooze.
I hit snooze. Then I hit snooze again. Then one more time.
So you finally wake up at what time?
Around 7:20. Then I have to rush.
So let's learn the difference. My alarm goes off means the alarm rings, but I wake up means you open your eyes and stop sleeping.
Right. My alarm goes off at 7, but I wake up at 7:20.
Good. Now, what do you do when you finally wake up?
I rub my eyes, I stretch my arms like this, and I yawn.
Those are great actions. I rub my eyes. I stretch. I yawn.
Then comes the hardest part.
What's that?
I get out of bed.
Ah, get out of bed is super important. Not go out of bed. We say get out of bed.
Get out of bed. That's the hardest part of my day.
For me, it's easy. I jump out of bed.
How do you have so much energy?
I'm a morning person. Okay, so you get out of bed, then what?
Then I go to the bathroom. That's the second step.
Good. I go to the bathroom. What do you do in the bathroom?
Well, first I use the toilet.
Yes, very normal. We can say, I use the toilet, or I go to the toilet.
Then I wash my face. Cold water. It helps me wake up.
I wash my face is very important. We also say, I splash water on my face.
Splash water on my face. Yes. Cold water makes me feel more awake.
What's next?
I brush my teeth. This is very important. Everyone should brush their teeth.
Absolutely. I brush my teeth. We do this at least twice a day, morning and night.
I use toothpaste and a toothbrush.
Perfect. Do you do anything else in the bathroom?
Yes, I comb my hair, or sometimes I brush my hair.
Good. Comb and brush are both okay for hair. What about shaving?
I don't shave every day, maybe every 3 days. I shave my face.
I shave or I shave my face. Some people also say I shave my beard.
What about you, Sophie? What do you do in the bathroom?
Well, I wash my face, brush my teeth, and I also brush my hair. Sometimes I put on makeup.
Put on makeup is the correct phrase?
Yes, put on for things you wear or apply. Put on makeup, put on clothes, put on shoes.
That's helpful. Okay, after the bathroom, what's next?
Next is getting dressed. This means putting on your clothes.
Right, I get dressed. What should I wear today?
So, get dressed is the general phrase, but let's learn specific phrases too.
Okay, teach me.
First, you take off your pajamas.
take off my pajamas. So take off means remove.
Exactly. Take off is the opposite of put on.
Got it. I take off my pajamas, then I put on my clothes.
Perfect. What do you put on?
I put on a t-shirt, I put on jeans, I put on socks.
Great. Any other phrases?
Sometimes I say I wear instead of I put on.
Good point. I wear jeans means you have them on. I put on jeans means the action of getting dressed.
So today I'm wearing jeans or I put on my jeans this morning.
Exactly. You're getting good at this.
What about shoes? I put on shoes.
Yes, I put on my shoes, but we usually do this later, right before leaving the house.
True. I walk around in socks at home.
Okay, you're dressed. Now what? Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry. Time for breakfast.
Ah, the best part of the morning. So you eat breakfast or have breakfast?
I have breakfast every day. I can't start my day without food.
Me too. What do you usually eat?
It depends. Sometimes I make toast.
I make toast. Good. What else?
Sometimes I cook eggs. I like scrambled eggs or fried eggs.
Delicious. I cook eggs. What about drinks?
Oh, I need coffee. I make coffee every morning.
I make coffee or I brew coffee.
I make coffee, strong coffee, with a little milk. What about you, Sophie? What do you have for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal with milk. Sometimes I have fruit, like a banana or an apple.
That's healthy. I should eat more fruit.
And I drink orange juice or tea.
So we can say, I eat cereal, I drink coffee, I have breakfast.
Perfect. Now here's an important phrase. Where do you eat breakfast?
At the kitchen table, or sometimes at the counter.
Do you ever eat breakfast on the go?
On the go? What does that mean?
On the go means while you're moving or traveling, like eating breakfast in the car or on the bus.
Ah, yes. Sometimes I'm late, so I eat breakfast on the go. I grab a banana and run.
I grab a banana is perfect. It means you take it quickly.
I grab my keys, I grab my bag, I grab a banana, and I rush out.
Speaking of rushing out, let's talk about the final steps before leaving home.
Okay, so I finish breakfast, then I check my phone.
I check my phone. Very modern. What do you check?
I check messages, I check emails, I check the weather.
All good phrases. I check my messages, I check my emails, I check the weather.
Then I pack my bag.
What do you put in your bag?
My laptop, my notebook, my charger, my wallet.
Don't forget your keys.
Oh yes, I always look for my keys. Where are my keys?
That's a very common morning phrase. Where are my keys?
I find my keys, I grab my jacket, and I put on my shoes.
Perfect. So you put on your shoes right before leaving.
Yes, then I lock the door and I leave the house.
Great. I lock the door, I leave the house, or I leave home.
Sometimes I say I head to work or I go to work.
Excellent. Head to means go toward a destination. Okay, everyone, let's review the complete morning routine from start to finish.
Good idea. I'll say each step and you can repeat with me.
Ready? Let's go.
First, my alarm goes off.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I use the toilet.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I take off my pajamas.
I put on my clothes.
I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I check my phone.
I pack my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I grab my keys.
I lock the door.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
Wow, that's the complete routine.
Now, Liam, is your routine the same every day?
No, on weekends it's very different.
Tell us about your weekend morning routine.
On weekends, I sleep in.
Sleep in means you wake up late, right?
Yes, I don't set an alarm. I wake up naturally around 9 or 10 a.m.
That sounds nice. What else is different?
I take my time. I don't rush.
Take my time means you do things slowly and calmly.
Yes, I make a big breakfast, maybe pancakes or a full breakfast with eggs, toast, and sausages.
That sounds delicious. What else do you do?
Then I relax. I read the news, I watch TV, or I just sit and drink coffee.
That's a perfect weekend morning.
What about busy mornings, Sophie, when you're late?
Oh, on busy mornings, everything changes. I skip breakfast.
Skip breakfast means you don't eat?
Right. I don't have time, so I skip it.
What else?
Well, I rush through everything. I take a quick shower, I throw on clothes.
Throw on clothes. That's funny. What does that mean?
It means you put on clothes very quickly without thinking.
I like that. I throw on jeans and a t-shirt.
And when I'm really late, I run out the door.
Run out the door. That's perfect for rushed mornings.
Before we finish, let's learn some time expressions for mornings.
Good idea. These are really useful.
We can say early in the morning or first thing in the morning.
What's the difference?
Early in the morning means around 5 or 6 a.m. First thing in the morning means the very first action you do.
So I check my email first thing in the morning.
Perfect. Other expressions, at the crack of dawn.
That sounds poetic. What does it mean?
It means very, very early, right when the sun comes up.
I never wake up at the crack of dawn.
Me neither. One more, bright and early.
Bright and early. That means early and with energy.
Exactly. I wake up bright and early at 6 a.m.
You're so energetic, Sophie.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn.
We want you to practice. Pause this episode and try this activity.
Describe your morning routine in English. Say at least 5 sentences.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, I make coffee, I get dressed, I leave home at 8 a.m.
It doesn't have to be perfect, just practice speaking.
And if you want, write your routine in the comments. We'd love to read it.
Yes, tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast?
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Wow, Liam, we covered so much today.
I know. My morning doesn't feel boring anymore. Now I know all these English phrases.
Exactly. Your morning is a perfect time to practice English.
Every day you can practice these verbs and phrases.
So let's do a final quick recap. What are the main verbs we learned?
Wake up, get out of bed, wash, brush, comb, get dressed, make, eat, drink, check, pack, grab, lock, leave.
Wow, that's a lot of useful verbs.
And remember, everyone, these are everyday verbs. You'll use them all the time.
So practice them every morning. Say them out loud.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
Tell us, what's your favorite part of your morning routine?
Mine is drinking coffee.
Mine is eating a healthy breakfast.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving.
Until next time.
Bye, everyone.